So this is a class 11 chapter 1 sets. Okay, let me start with the definition of the set. First I will be defining what is a set. So let me start with the definition of the set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects which are different from each other and which we can see or think is called a set. So here I have given you some objects. Okay, now here it is mentioned objects, collection of well-defined collection of objects which are different from each other. So here are the collection of an objects which I have taken. Well-defined collection of an object. You all can take the example of it. Now these are the objects, but they are different from each other. It's a pencil, whether they are books, rings, ruler or torch. Okay, they are different from each other. Now what do you mean by this well-defined? By well-defined we mean that there is a rule that helps us to classify the object under investigation whether they belong to the collection or does not belong to the collection. Okay, next is the member of a set. Now this is the member of a set definition. The object which belongs to a set are called its member or elements, or even you can say in other way around. Okay, like member of a set, even you can write it like this: the nature of the object is the same, or in other words, the object in a set may be anything: numbers, people, places, letters, etc. These objects are called elements or members of the set. For example, these are some examples. Okay, you all have to say all students from ABC school. Okay, next is what? Second example is what? This is first example. Second example is all states of India. Then third is what? All rivers of India. Okay, then one more example regarding the numbers. Okay, the numbers 2, 4, 6, etc. Okay, now these are the even numbers, right? So if I ask you all like, is 3 is the number of this particular set? No, because 3 is an odd number, so it does not belong to this particular set. Okay, so these are the few examples of member of a set. Next is like we denote a set in capital letters. Example, so how we denote a set, that I'm going to tell you all. So with the capital letters, that is A, B, C, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, okay, and etc. And elements of set are denoted by small letters, and the elements of that particular set are denoted by small letters like this: small a, small b, small c, small d, like this, and etc. Okay, next is, this is very important, which you all have to know. N is what? The set of natural number, and this is the set of natural number 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Okay, and Z is what? The set of all integers like 0, -1, -1, -2, 2 up to so on. Z plus is what? The set of all positive integers. Everything will be positive numbers. Okay, then Z minus is what? The set of all negative integers. R is what? The set of real numbers. R plus is the set of all positive real number. This is set of all negative real number. This R minus. And R square is what? The set of all points in the plane. Q is known as the rational number, the set of all rational number. Q plus is the set of all positive rational number, and Q minus the set of all negative rational numbers. And this phi, this is known as the empty set, the set containing no elements. Okay, it does not contain any of the elements. In the next lecture, I will be doing this representation of the sets, okay? And I hope you all have understood today's, and thanks for watching.